back to another video with Sneaky Pants. And today I'm here with me, Black Bear. And today we're going to be going over the basics of Skyblock. As you can see, our island's pretty big and we have most of everything.
Yeah, we have iron, coal, stone, and clay.
We're not bragging, just so you know.
And we have lemon trees.
No hate cost. But we do have a pretty big island and we've been playing for like a month now.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you how to become super rich. So, you need some lemon trees. So, if you spawn with apple or orange trees, that's fine. Just make another account on another device that you have. You can use a Nintendo, an iPad, a computer, a phone, or a tablet, or an iPhone, or whatever you have that has Roblox on it. And then you do that until that island has lemon trees. And then you invite them to their island and stuff, and then you grab their lemon tree. So with that, you can make something with wheat, and it's called lemon bread, and that sells for 225 coins. Wow. And then I always make like 10 and stuff when I get like 30 lemons.
Oh, and also when you spawn on your island, you're going to get a berry bush.
And these sell for a lot too.
They sell for 25 coins each. But if you have wheat, then you can make berry pie, which sells for like 225 coins each, I think. So you can make a lot of money off berry pie and lemon bread.
Okay, guys, and now I'm going to teach you guys about the totems.
Yes.
Blackbeard, can you make some dough and collect some lemons?
Yes.
And just put them in my chest.
Okay.
Make sure to have a bunch of chests so your stuff is really organized. But I'm going to teach you guys about totems. So when we didn't know much about totems, I bought the onion totem for 8,000. And the thing is, with the iron totem and the other totems that we have that you saw, it just spawned the iron around it. But it's not the same with the ones that are for food, like a wheat totem or an onion totem. And onion seeds are pretty expensive, so I don't recommend it. But when it's like that, you put it in the middle of your wheat field and it'll harvest it for you. It won't give you like free wheat. It'll just harvest your crops. So that's what I thought. I thought it was like a generator for onions, like it was a generator for iron, clay, coal, and stone. But no, it just harvests your crops. So I wouldn't recommend spending it on a food totem unless you have like a million of those seeds. So that's the basics of totems, and I recommend saving up for an iron totem first, so then you can have your own private iron farm, because those are the rarest in the mines, but they do come easily. Anyways.
And also, so that way you don't have to basically fight over the iron and stone and coal and things.
Yep.
Well, I got you lemons.
Thank you.
And a bunch of wheat.
Yay. And make sure you have like a huge wheat farm so then you can always have wheat. And make sure to have a variety of crops on your farm. And make sure to have like your own little space for everything.
You want a huge wheat farm so you can make lemon bread and berry pie a lot easier.
Yep, and I recommend having a watering can because then your crops will grow faster.
Yes.
So what I do is...
And also, you might want to upgrade your fire.
Yep, upgrade your fire to a mini oven.
Yes, so a mini oven holds 3 things.
And a fire holds 1 at a time.
And also, you're going to want to have a cooking table.
Yep.
Because then you can basically make the lemon bread and berry pie and bread.
So right when you get on Skyblock, you're going to try and make one of these mini ovens first. And get an upgraded crafting bench or workbench.
Tier 2.
And get a cooking table. Those are the main things that you need.
Yes.
Yep. And then you'll have your life set for Skyblock.
And if you get an anvil, then you're gonna want to get crystallized iron.
Yep.
I will show you what it looks like right now. So basically, this is what it looks like.
And it's really rare. It's the same thing as iron, except it's rare. So, Blackbird's going to tell you more about crystallized iron.
Yes, I am. So, basically, crystallized iron, it's kind of a rare drop. You just need to mine a bunch of iron and hope that it drops. If you get 3 of the crystallized iron and plus some more iron and wood, you can make something that looks like this. An iron war axe, and then you can defeat the slimes from the slime area a lot faster than a regular wooden sword. So that's very useful in many different ways. Because slimes, they sell for a bunch of coins. And I believe green slimes, they sell for 5 coins each. Pink slimes sell for 100 coins. Blue slimes sell for 35 coins. So, I believe Sneaky Pants is back now?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay. So,
and all that information is accurate, which means correct. Yep.
So also, we will show you different things.
So, I almost fell. So I recommend expanding your island first and having a tree farm with at least 2 different trees, because that's what we have.
We also got an orange tree.
Yep, from our friend.
And this is the onions.
And you can double your trees. Work on doubling your trees so then you can get more at once.
This is how you double your trees. Basically, you chop them down, and sometimes it gives you a second sapling.
Or if you just pick the oranges, Because we started off with 1 lemon tree, and you can't buy fruit trees. And look how much we have now.
Yes. So also, this is how to dye your clay.
Okay, let's water the plants really quick. Make sure to water your plants,
because then they can grow faster. These are the grapes.
See, I just watered them and then they just grew.
We got some grapes. So if you follow me, there's a difference between iron and clay. So this is the iron. It has a slight whiter thing on it. And over here at the clay, it's more bluish.
Yep, it's more blue than white.
So you want to get a coloring station.
Yep, one of these coloring stations. I'll show you how to make it after.
And then you're going to need to get a bunch of different colored flowers. Because with the flowers, see this red flower, if I were to mine some of this clay and then go into the crafting table, then I could make red clay.
Go ahead and make some red clay.
Okay. Thank you.
And make sure you have a partner working with you. It will be much easier if you have more than one person.
I got some red clay.
See, it's beautiful. I love it.
Yes. But you're needing to get the flowers, and the flowers, they just grow randomly on your island.
They'll spawn randomly on your island. Yep.
Yes.
So I recommend working with a buddy. Working with a buddy will be much easier than working by yourself.
Yeah, because then you can share your money if you want.
Yep.
And also you can get let's say your buddy has an orange tree and you have a lemon tree, then the person with the orange tree could bring their orange tree to your place.
Yep, and then you can work as hard as you want. That sounded weird though. But now I'm going to show you guys lemon bread. So lemon bread sells for a lot, and so does orange bread, I think. I don't know. I honestly don't know.
Orange pie?
I think it's orange pie.
I don't know. So you're going to want to make dough for everything.
You want to start by making 10 dough and combining it with your lemons. I forgot how to do that. Oh, right, it's in here. And then some lemon bread, and you'll make... can I have some more lemons?
Sure.
I recommend having 30 lemons ready because it's 30 lemons for 10.
Oh, and also you need dough to make berry pie as well.
Yep.
Here's more lemons.
Yeah, just hand those to me.
There you go.
And I think I have some saved up.
Oh, I fell.
Oh no. Yep, and I have 10 lemons right here. That's exactly 30 lemons.
Yes. So then you're going to want to cook it.
Wait, we need to make it first.
Yeah, you got to make it first.
We're going to need 10 because that's how much dough we have. And now we have the 10 lemon bread.
And then I'm going to give you all the materials to make berry pie so you can show everyone.
So we're going to need some coal, of course.
Yes, you're going to need coal to power that
mini oven.
Yeah, the mini oven.
So you won't need a lot, but you might need some.
Yeah.
But guys, just so you know, if you don't want to waste your coal, this is how not to waste your coal. See, I have 3 coal. I might as well put it in once and then add an extra. Don't add that extra. Just keep that in because it'll last a long time.
You don't want to put like 3 coal in at a time because then it's just going to take all 3 of your coal.
Yeah, then it's just going to be a waste.
Yeah.
Try adding 1 coal in and see how far that gets you.
Yeah.
See, all this lemon bread, I do have 2 ovens, but that still lasted me on 1 coal.
Okay, so now
Yeah, 1 coal
after
each.
you're done cooking that, I'll give you the ingredients to make the berry pie. And we'll show you how much they sell for.
So first I'm gonna sell the lemon bread. You can pick up those berries.
Oh.
But make sure right when you get on, take some stone from the bottom of your island or find a buddy that's like a little bit richer than you and they already have a path, and have them buy some stone for you so you can quickly make a path to your portal.
Yes. And if they don't want to, that's also fine too. Then you just mine.
You just take some stone from under your island.
Yeah.
So
if you go to the shopping area.
Yep. And you might need to upgrade your baker a little bit more. And then, oh no!
What?
I can't sell lemon bread.
No.
Yeah. So some days you can't sell your lemon bread, but some days you can. So that's sad.
Yeah.
Can you sell it?
I don't know.
Go check.
Okay, I will go check. So give me some lemon bread.
Here's all my lemon bread.
Thank you.
Because some days you can't sell all the same thing.
Okay, and I will give you all the materials needed to make berry pie.
Okay, and tell me how much you got for the lemon bread.
Okay.
So let's make berry pie.
Yes.
We'll need a lot of materials, but it'll be very easy for you guys.
And also when you harvest the berries, there's a chance that you'll get an extra berry seed.
Yep. So let's go make some berry dough.
Yes. First, you're gonna need regular dough for that.
Yep. For everything, you're gonna need regular dough.
Yes.
So let's open our crafting table.
I can sell lemon bread. They sell for 225 coins each.
Wow.
And if you sell 9, you get 2,025 coins.
What?
That is
awesome. Cool.
I will sell it.
Now we're gonna make our berry dough.
Yes.
Oh, I don't have enough berries, but that's fine.
Yeah.
I can make 6.
Okay, that's good.
And then you're gonna want to bake it.
Yeah. And also with the extra dough, you can make bread that also sells for some.
Yep. And all you have to do to make bread is cook it.
Yeah, you just have to cook the dough.
I recommend making a mini oven first before, I don't know, just make it quickly.
Can you sell the berry pie?
I think so.
Okay, well, I'll go too, just in case.
Let's wait for this dough to cook.
And then we'll see how much bread sells for.
And how much these berry pies
does.
So we have 6 berry pies. Let me put this wheat up. And 4 bread.
Okay, let's go sell it.
And selling your berries plain, if you don't have enough wheat, I recommend selling them in bulk, which means like in groups of 3 or more.
Because then you get more money that way.
Yeah, you get more money.
Sell it to the baker.
Oh, I can't sell berry pie.
Oh, give me the berry pie.
See, look how rich Blackberry is. She's richer than me.
Yeah, and that's just from lemon bread and berry pie.
Yep.
The more you sell, the more you get.
Yep.
So 1 berry pie is 222 coins.
Yes.
When you have 6, that sells for 1,332 coins.
What? That's awesome.
Wow. In no time, you would be able to buy a totem by just selling berry pie and lemon bread.
See, she sold like lemon bread, and then she can buy an iron totem. And she
Yeah.
sold berry pie, and she can buy almost an onion totem.
Yeah.
I don't recommend onion totems, though.
I don't really recommend any of the food totems because you can just harvest it yourself.
And it's much easier.
Yes.
And next, I recommend having a variety of crops.
Yes.
And yeah.
If you can't afford like an onion or something, because they are like 2,000 coins an onion.
Just buy a bunch of wheat. Okay.
Yes.
Or you can start farming the wheat yourself, and when you get like some wheat, you have a chance of getting an extra wheat seed.
Yes,
so
I do.
that's really cool. And all your extra wheat you can sell for a lot of money. 145 just for 29 wheat? Wow.
Wow.
And then I have an extra stone for some reason, so I'll sell that.
2 coins? Wow.
So sell all of your extra stuff that you don't need.
And when you're done with like your iron totem or stone totem or something, you can just keep farming it and selling it, and soon you'll be very much more richer than you were.
Yup.
From just selling berry pie and lemon bread.
Yes. So, and another thing I recommend is having one of your buddies as a bank account.
Yes.
Because they will save and buy all of this stuff for you. So right now I'm the bank account, so she'll go and buy some money bags.
Yes.
And this is how you do it. So she'll purchase one of these thousands, and then she'll give it to me, and then I can sell it.
I will give you 5.
Wow, that's a lot.
I still want to kind of have some so we can expand our island.
Make sure that your buddy keeps some of their money.
Because you might want to buy something.
Yep.
5,000 coins. So now you have 10,000 coins.
10,000 just from my buddy giving me some money? That's so much.
And just from selling lemon bread, regular bread, and berry pie.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you have any tips and tricks on Skyblock.
Yeah.
See you in the next video.
Bye.